Ha?
5 people.
Kakagising lang ng aking bouncy, ng aking Kenny Bear.
Up to you.
How's your sleep? Nila, Mami? Kuya Brayden just got back. You wanna play with Kuya Brayden?
Because we've got deliveries coming from DHL.
What do you want to do today?
Wait, okay.
You're gonna play with Kuya Bray and eat? Kamo yung pata mo. Say, welcome to my vlog!
Welcome to my vlog.
Cute mo. Nag-ano dito, nag-brown out. May pumutok dun sa labas. Wala pang ano. Wala pang, di pa pumabalik yung ano, yung ilaw. Cry, baby, cry. Baby, cry. Cry, baby, cry. Cry. Walang internet. Bakit may ano, di pa bumabalik yung ilaw? Are you hungry? Always hungry.
You want a pork?
No.
Why?
What do you want? Chicken? You want McDo? Of course. With what? Gravy. Kakamulat lang ng kanyang mga mata at si Kuya Bray kakauwi lang galing school. Where's Kuya Bray? Ako na may HO. Ako na talaga. Kasi nagpumunta dito yung sister ko kagabi and nag-dinner date kami ni Papa P. Tapos pinapunta ko yung sister ko dito and nag-chill-chill kaming dalawa. What's that? Flowers, thank you. Oh, wow, kinuhaan niya ako ng flowers. Thank you. Cheers. Don't eat it, ah. Smell lang. Don't eat it. So good. You kiss it. I love it.
Look at the poll. Are we doing math or something more exciting?
Okay. Ray,
Who will come up here so I can show y'all?
I have a flowers for you.
Slide back.
Ray,
Oh man, I know someone who
Flowers.
can help you. Come on in, Bubbles.
nag-ano sila. What you gonna do? What do you want?
Paper, scissors, I won! Give me that one. I want Jollibee.
Gusto nila ng Jollibee. Ito gusto McDo. Mag-rock, paper, scissors daw sila.
Mommy McDo.
What do you want?
Buy me Jollibee.
You want Jollibee? What do you want in, sa Jollibee?
Chicken and gravy.
Why don't you like McDo?
I want McDo.
McDo na lang, Ken?
McDo.
Kuya Bray won sa ano, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Chuk. Thank you, baby. That's for Kuya Brayden. The Jollibee is coming pa, Kendall.
And the light.
That's our generator. The ano is not yet back. Ito na, may generator kami, no? Yes, finally! The light. Asan na yung light? Yes. Wow! Now I can see my beautiful face. That's why it's loud downstairs. It's a generator. Kakaano lang kasi ng battery. Kakapalit. So, kailan kayo babalik yung electricity dito sa street namin? Ayos pa.